Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to pay for Spotify Premium with debit card. So let's get into the video. So firstly, launch Spotify. Just open up your Spotify app, and here what are you going to do? So just go for the premium option where we can make a purchase for premium. So just open it up. So now hit on get premium so that we can buy premium, and then here when you get to this page here, select Spotify and then hit on continue with Spotify. So now when you get to this page here, the payment page here, so we're going to pay with our debit card. So what you're gonna have to do, simply scroll down and then you can choose your state if you want. So just get that done. Okay, so now what are you going to select? You're going to select credit or debit card option. So simply select that, and then all you have to do now is just provide the details of your debit card. So just pop in your debit card information and then hit on buy now, and that's pretty much it is. It's pretty easy and straightforward. So I hope this video was helpful. I'll see you in another video. Thank you.